A very good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start with NIOS Board Secondary Course English with chapter number 27, The Parrot Who Wouldn't Talk. Now children, previously also we have learned many many lessons, many poems written by Ruskin Bond. This is another one of them. As we all know that Ruskin Bond, animal lover and very much observant about the behavior of the animals and birds too. Children, this story, The Parrot Who Wouldn't Talk, was an incident that took place pre-independence. At that time, likewise, these days we see that people are very much fond of keeping pets and especially dogs. Those days, it was a fashion to keep birds. Various kinds of birds. They keep parrots, they keep maynas, they keep lovebirds and many more. So, gradually, Aunt Ruby, the main character of this story, along with the parrot, Aunt Ruby developed a taste and interest of keeping parrots. So one day when a bird catcher came to their lane to sell the parrots, she took one of them. Although her parents were not very interested for keeping the pet, but they do not take the chance to get in bad terms with Aunt Ruby, because every time she was a kind that she will blast, she will get irritated and she will come up with bad words. Therefore, their parents never interfered in her decisions, so they agreed to keep the parrot with them. When this parrot was there at their place, Aunt Ruby every morning she used to feed the parrot and take care of her, and at the same time she tried to talk to her and to teach her many things. But the parrot was not at all interested in any of the activities of Aunt Ruby. In few days, Aunt Ruby got so disgusted with the parrot that she used to say bad words to the parrot, like you can't dance, you can't speak, you can't talk. And every time it is the same thing that she used to say to the parrot. Although she wanted her to train her parrot also, so one day she thought that why not to make some good relation with the parrot, as she has seen before with her friends that whenever they used to take their mouth in front of the cage, their parrot used to come and kiss them. So she tried to do the same phenomena, but the parrot at that time got so irritated that it came fast to Aunt Ruby and just stuck her glasses, which broke. At this, Aunt Ruby get more irritated at the parrot. Now what happened? Instead of Aunt Ruby, now Ruskin Bond, who was just a 10-year-old boy, he was nephew of Aunt Ruby, had to take care of the parrot now. So he used to talk to him, he used to play with him, he used to give him food, and the food not only which the parrot likes, but also the food which he likes, like the slices of mangoes and everything. So they developed a good rapport among themselves. But Ruskin Bond developed some empathy towards the parrot, and one afternoon when everyone was sleeping, he deliberately kept the cage open. The parrot flew away. At this, Aunt Ruby was very angry and she shouted badly that I don't know where my parrot is and what will it be doing outside, who will take care of it, and like that. But once gone, nothing doing. After a few days, when Aunt Ruby was sitting on a veranda she could see that at the end of the veranda there is a plant on which that parrot came back and sit. At the sight of the parrot, she was very happy and she was very glad that, see, my parrot missed me so much that even after getting the freedom, it came back to me. But unfortunately, this was not the truth. Alright, so when Aunt Ruby was nearing the parrot started saying the same words which Aunt Ruby used to say. You can't talk, you can't dance, you can't sing. See, children, this is how we get back the thing, whatever we do. It is rightly said that what goes around comes around. So children, I think you have understood the chapter well. Please go through the chapter and I will be sharing few board questions with you now. Board questions. Question number 1. Why did Aunt Ruby start to dislike the parrot? Once, Aunt Ruby was near the parrot's cage and it bugged forward and knocked off her spectacles. After that incident, she started disliking the parrot and became aggressive towards it. Also, the parrot had not learned anything that Aunt Ruby wanted to teach. Question number 2. How did Ruskin Bond treat the parrot? Ruskin Bond treated the parrot very lovingly. He used to give him lunch. He also empathized with the parrot and understood how the parrot felt. Therefore, one afternoon he deliberately left the cage door open and let it fly and be free. Thank you, dear children. Do well. Bye.